Today's project. Dang. What we doing today, Nando?
Drop kit.
That's a big old drop kit. Dang, tumbada life.
Tumbado.
This nigga don't care about his powder. This man. Must be nice to have money.
Must be nice to have money. Chill out now. Oh!
That wind, bruh.
Let him know, Nando. He said he a big blood.
I don't know how long it turns on.
Apágalo.
You got a powder coated?
Wow.
It's
You got-
spray paint.
That rattle can right here, you know what I'm saying?
Ahí está atrás. Oh, no.
Show him, Nando.
Pinche mugrero.
Where's it at, bro? But it's a work truck, cuz. Oh my god. This man rattle can customs.
Hey, ¿quieres mi morma?
That's the old one?
Yeah.
Dang.
Tell me what y'all think about it.
Let me get on the floor.
Look, bro.
Oh my god.
No lower ball joint nut. Straight wire.
Come on, Nando. Now that there's some crazy shit, man.
No se cae.
What?
No se cae.
Tell him, Nando. Say it again.
No se cae. Dios está con nosotros.
That's a spiritual man right there. Someone left their wheels in my backyard. You know who he is. I'm finna sell him for $1,000.
¿Dónde estás poniendo estos?
Bájale aquí.
Es todo, amigo.
Todo mi amigo.
Diles, Nando.
Aguas con tu pie.
Chill out now.
I gotta take a leak.
You go take a leak. And while you at it, pee on the wheels back there.
Ahí voy a grabarlo. Se me olvidó el press.
Wow.
Dang, son. No te enojes.
Oh, shit.
You done fucked it up.
Ya valió.
Sí sirve.
Thank you, Misa.
For your hard labor.
Él hace de la barata. Ponelo.
Agarra.
Pinche hija de barata.
What? Wow. It's better than that one.
Shit.
That B-Wall wheat. That B-Wall wheat is wheat. Tell him, then.
Let's see that D-Wall.
Say your impact sheet. Look who came.
El famoso huevo.
El famoso huevo. Míralo.
Bro, my dick ain't the only one standing. Jack in a note too.
A ver.
Traes.
Get that bit boner. El otro, el de ahí.
Oh, you can't see it.
Oh, te estaba diciendo, por él no se ve. Si quieres te presto mis contactos.
Por cierto. Ah, su. Huevo, got AirPods. Mira. Mira cómo llega. Mira, bien trabajador.
Ya tú sabes, papá, pues.
Say something to the camera, huevo.
Something.
Dang.
¿Cuál es este? ¿Este
Con las
nomás?
dos manos. Yeah.
No le pegues a la toca,
Este. No, no, puro bando y pintura y vámonos. Pss, pss.
What was?
Dale, dale, dale.
Ah,
Quebró la piñata.
see, what?
También le da.
What it do, Scooby?
What it do, baby?
Where's she at?
You good?
Yeah.
Okay then. Just think of the lift.
Ain't that big gonna be bad?
Cause
They got all red everything. What's up, Nando?
Wee.
He said he wanna work out.
Yo,
What's up?
what it do?
dirty ass bro.
Nah, bro, what's up?
What's up, man?
You good?
Yeah, how you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Where the hell was you going?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah, you and
Oh, my brother.
yeah, I passed both of y'all.
Really? It took him fucking forever to get the goddamn plastic.
Oh well, when I passed him, brother, it was way the hell down there, like by VSU kind of.
You still gotta change, don't you? Yeah.
That nigga still got on the work clothes.
Hell yeah, look at him. Ooh.
Well, that's what pays for that. So.
Tell him, bro. Look at it. You paying bills over the phone?
You already know, bro.
Let me see that credit card number, man.
Cálmate. You already know the government been hacking your stuff.
You still chewing that cancer dealing?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like a turd.
Look like a turd in your mouth.
Let me get a kiss,
one day.
Give me a kiss. What up, man?
The man has look at him sipping on blueberry Faygo.
Hey,
Hey.
could this be blue juice? Or does it got something in it?
I feel like all you did was you put a water bottle, you put water in it and got the blue packet, you know what I'm saying? And you mix it.
Bruh, it's water, bro.
What you think of the lift?
Well, you see, man, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I drank blue juice.
And
Got
this is red.
shorts on.
Man, come on, Dawson.
I'm mixing it up. You know what I'm saying?
A little mixy. What you about to do, Nando?
Red
Some
game.
odd.
Hey, red boots.
Oh, oh my God.
Tribal mod.
Come here.
Nando.
Red boot.
Nando, come
You
here.
want one too?
No.
Daniel, do it, Daniel.
He ain't got jack right now.
Look at him. This that gym workout look.
That's a workout the females do.
Yeah. Why you think he doing? Let me get this man the Nike boots.
Ooh, the Nike boots. Give him the Nike.
Let me give you the Nike boot, bro.
Give him the
Let me
check.
give you the Nike boot.
Give him the check.
Oh!
But what kind of check is that? That bitch look like a U. That bitch tried to draw a smiley face.
That bitch got the boots from the free Nike boots from free one.
Look at him, bud. Let's get him right, bro. Let's get him right.
That's the Air Ones.
Nando.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Yeah. Alright, Scoob.
Get her.
Get on it when you leave.
I got it.
Alright, dog.
Zoom in on me. You zoomed in?
Yep.
Get the fresh cut. You got the cut?
Yeah.
Alright, we good. That's all I need to know. That's the only intro I need, dog.
What it do, Dre?
Man, shit, this came from work now, you know. You gotta stay swole. Whoa.
Ooh.
Bro, turn around, bro. You want me to move a little bit? Ooh, y'all see them VBS's, man. This that drug dealer money, nigga.
Hey, man, give my chain back, bro.
My bad, bro.
You stepping on water, bro.
Man, we ain't worried about these, nigga.
Oh, I forgot that stimulus check.
We don't
Oh,
give a damn, nigga.
oh, let him know.
Nah, this the real. This Rodolfo Rich VBS is this my little winky ass chain, bro.
Come on, man. What you think of that red, Dre?
It ain't hard, it just takes longer.
Why you had to get up to talk?
I don't like you looking down on me, then niggas can see my hairline and shit.
What you think of the red?
Niggas in the comments was saying my hairline was thinning, bro. But the red looks good, man. The red's gonna look good. People might think he's a gang member, though.
Hell yeah, Nando. Dang.
That bitch gonna be huge.
Tell him, man.
Hey, Nando shit. That bitch finna be huge.
Yes, sir.
That bitch.
Hey, we gonna throw Misa setup on it. Dang, Dre, wait, whoa.
It's sold.
It's sold.
15,000.
See you later. Hit that big huevo.
¡Ay!
Yeah, get that bitch.
Vamos a pegar la mano.
Con huevos.
Pues ya lo que estoy haciendo.
Quítale el rubber.
Con huevos, huevo. Nando, you
¿Por qué
said
no me
that.
dijeron?
Fuck it up. Fuck the boot up.
Ey, no es mi troca.
Tell him, Dre. Rims ain't always skate.
Hey, y'all want to see a trick?
Go ahead. Oh! Dang!
Hey, I got. Can I plug my own self in real quick?
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Oh,
Oh.
hey man, y'all been asking for merch.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
They ain't ready for it, Dre.
They ain't ready for it.
Let 'em know.
They ain't ready.
Ooh.
They ain't ready, brother.
That's too much. Heat.
Then you come down with it on the Ranger. Oh! Let me zoom in on that thing, bro. Yes, sir. Hold up. What the fuck? You gotta focus that bit.
Recording?
Yeah. Go ahead, man. Tell him something. Why you looking like that?
You look nervous.
Man.
It's that Dre behind the camera.
Daniel, get off your phone.
They're here dropping pictures.
Damn, that nigga dirty as hell. The two richest motherfuckers, the three richest motherfuckers right here. The dirtiest.
You forgot the one behind the camera.
Damn, so that bit gonna be at 10 inches?
Yer.
Damn.
Yeah.
Kind of like, yo.
Damn.
Shut up.
Man.
Damn, son, like a spaceship.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you smell the grass burning?
Oh, shit.
Yep, you're on fire. That's what you smell.
Damn. It's that bright, huh?
It's that bright.
There you go. Ready? Hey, man, it's the end of part 1. As you see, we ain't even done yet. Hey, stay tuned for part 2.
Let them know.
Let them know something.
Let them know, Don.
Come back tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Be ready.
Be ready. That man turned the Ranger into the Rolls Royce.
That shit fire.
Damn, boy, I see you, cuz. All right, bro.
All right, bro.
Go.
Real slow. Real slow, like. Have fun fighting these fucking mosquitoes.
Hey, bro.
Alright, well,
God. But imagine what you.
You wanna come right here real quick?